So in this video I would like to give demonstration about outer join in SQL. See, outer join, the syntax of outer join is SQL is select column name from table 1 full outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column name is equals to table 2 dot column name where uh, con- where condition where condition. So this full outer join is basically used to select columns and rows from both the tables, also which do not have matching columns in both the tables, which do not satisfy the condition. Also, if you consider these two tables, namely customers, which have seven columns, that is customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code and country, which so there are three columns in this table, that is with customer ID 1, 2 and 3, customer name Rahul, Nitin and Shubham, contact name Shweta, Nitya and Ajay, with address 31 Sadar, Shaktinagar and Rampur, with city Jabalpur, Mathura and Agra, with postal code 122090502105023 and country as Nitin, Pakistan and Germany. And the another table, that is orders, which have actually five columns, that is order ID, customer ID, employee ID, order date and shipment ID, which have three rows of information with order ID 0318, 0309, and customer ID as 2, 39 and 47, employee ID 738 and order date as 18 of September 1999, 1996 and 20th of 9 1996, with shipment ID 3, 1 and 2. So if you apply full outer join in both these tables, namely the customers table and the orders table, then in via Venn diagrams, it is depicted that all the rows of table 1 and all the rows of table 2 matching rows would be selected, and if there are no matching records, then also those records will also be selected if you apply full outer join. Suppose if you write this customers full outer join query at select select customers dot customer name, orders dot order ID from customers, full outer join orders on customers dot customer ID is equals to orders dot customer ID, where order by customers dot customer name. So if you apply this condition on both these tables, then since there is only one matching row with the customer ID in both the tables, that is 2, so that row will be selected, that customer's name and order ID would be selected, and along with that, which do not have matching rows, the null values would be displayed in front of those which do not have matching row, which do not satisfy the given condition, that is where order this on this where customers dot customer ID is equals to orders dot customer ID. So the output of this full outer join on these two tables would come as this. Since we are displaying customers dot customer name and orders dot order ID, so first the customer's name will come, and second order ID will come, and then there would be this, and since for each and all customer's name, so if you take customer's name as Rahul, so it is here, it will be customer name would be Rahul, and order ID, since there is no matching column with customers dot customer ID. Rahul customer ID is 1 and orders dot customer ID there is no 1, so null would be displayed here. Similarly, for customer name Nitin, since there is a matching order ID in the order ID table, then there is matching customer ID in the order ID table, that is 2, so the order ID 0318 would be displayed. And for namely for the third, that is Shubham, the name would be displayed and the customer order ID would be displayed, that is null. Along with that, if you find for another entry which you look at the order IDs column, then there are two, that is 39 and 47, that would be displayed here, 39 and 47, and in place of customer name null would be displayed since there are no matching customer ID for the same in the customers table. So in all the 5 rows would be displayed and which do not have the matching rows and columns in both the tables, null values would be displayed. So this was overall the concept of full outer join in SQL. If you find any doubts, if there are any doubts or queries, you can drop in the comments below. And if you find these concepts interesting, then please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell notification for further updates on outer join, left outer join, right outer join and cross outer join. नहीं नहीं